The Jungian shadow, comprising the repressed, denied, or unknown aspects of one's personality, can manifest in various ways in everyday human life and interactions. And here are some specific examples. 1. Projection. When someone intensely dislikes a trait in another person, but is actually exhibiting that trait themselves to a certain extent. For instance, a person who is quick to interpret another's motivation as coming from the place of selfishness does so because it's something they themselves are very familiar with, because they acted from the very same place. And this is the shadow projecting its characteristics onto others. We cannot see or recognize something in others that doesn't already exist in ourselves to some extent. Number 2, overreaction. An excessive emotional response to a relatively minor issue can be a sign of the shadow. For example, getting disproportionately angry at a small mistake made by a colleague might indicate unresolved anger or control issues within oneself. 3. Attraction and aversion. Sometimes being inexplicably drawn to or repelled by someone can indicate that they embody aspects of our own shadow. A person might be fascinated by someone who openly expresses emotions or desires that they themselves have repressed. Number 4, sudden mood swings. Unexplained changes in mood, like suddenly feeling sad or angry, might indicate that something has triggered a shadow aspect. For instance, feeling a sudden surge of sadness when seeing a parent interact lovingly with their child might hint at unresolved issues from one's own childhood. Number 5, compulsive behaviors. Engaging in compulsive behaviors, such as addictive patterns, can be a manifestation of the shadow. These behaviors often serve as a way to escape facing the painful or hidden parts of ourselves. 6. Humor and sarcasm. Sometimes what we joke or are sarcastic about can be revealing of our shadow. Making jokes at the expense of others or about taboo subjects might indicate repressed aspects of our personality or desires. Number 7, dreams. The shadow often appears in dreams, typically as characters or symbols representing aspects of ourselves that we haven't acknowledged or understood. Number 8, creative expression. Sometimes people express aspects of their shadow through art, writing, or other creative endeavors, revealing desires, fears, and traits that they are not consciously aware of. Understanding and recognizing these manifestations of the shadow in daily life can be a step towards integrating these repressed aspects, leading to greater self-awareness and personal development.